Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the INFINIX Hot 60i phone, and I'm going to tell you how to fix fingerprint sensor not responding, not working on this phone. So, actually, the first thing we're gonna do is to open the settings and scroll down to the security and privacy, which is where was that? Password and security. It's here. It's on the it's renamed on the XOS. Don't really matter that. Password and security. Tap fingerprint, and now as you can see, I don't have both screen lock and fingerprint. But here, if you do have if you do have any fingerprint saved on your device, you have to delete it. Let me quickly do a pattern for myself. And now as you can see here, there should be a button, delete fingerprint. Just delete this fingerprint. Then tap on fingerprint back again, and just here you have to scan your finger back again. If it still doesn't here recognize that you are placing the finger on that, you have to just contact the device support or clean the sensor surface with a soft cloth without any water. It's because it's just maybe broken. But if it registers your fingerprint and it's working, that's nice. As you can see, I've scanned my finger right now. Finish, and now let's check if it works. It works. That's nice. Here, if yours still doesn't, here to delete, tap this here and delete. That's how you delete the fingerprint. If you still don't have, after the, as I said, after cleaning the surface of the fingerprint here with a soft cloth, and even though if you have deleted your fingerprint and enroll it back again, you have to contact device support because your fingerprint sensor may be just broken and you have to have it fixed. Of course, they will do it for you for free, because you may have this phone on a warranty. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.